Profit pages. Empowering entrepreneurs with profitable pages. Have you ever thought, why don't we follow our New Year resolution after few days or weeks? What makes us so hard to follow those habits? How our day-to-day habits play an important role in our life when it comes to achieving our goals. How can a small habit change our life upside down? Make sure you watch this video till the end to change your life upside down and become effective. The author of the book The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is Stephen R. Covey. His life journey was marked by a deep commitment to personal development and effective living. The catalyst for writing The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People was Covey's desire to distill timeless principles that empower individuals to lead more meaningful and impactful lives. He was inspired by his interactions with people from various walks of life, as well as his own observations and experiences. Covey recognized that many existing self-help and management paradigms focused on quick fixes and superficial solutions, often failing to address the deeper issues that hinder personal and professional growth. Okay, let's discuss about the 7 habits that is going to change our lives. These 7 habits are divided into 2 parts. One is private victory and the other is public victory. Imagine you're learning to play a musical instrument like the guitar. Private victory is like the practice you do by yourself, where you work on getting better at playing the guitar. It's about developing your skills, practicing chords, and learning new songs on your own. This is your personal achievement, where you're mastering the instrument step by step. Now, let's say you've become quite good at playing the guitar because of all that private practice. Here's where public victory comes in. Public victory is when you join a band or perform in front of an audience. It's about playing together with other band members, coordinating your music, and creating a harmonious performance that the audience enjoys. This is your outward success, where you're using your skills to create something wonderful with others. Certainly. Let's break down the example of learning the guitar and apply each of the 7 habits of highly effective people. Habit number 1. Be proactive. This habit is about taking initiative and responsibility for your actions. In the context of learning the guitar, being proactive means making a conscious decision to start practicing and improving your skills. Instead of waiting for someone to tell you to practice, or hoping to become a great guitarist without effort, you take the proactive step of picking up your guitar and dedicating time to practice each day. Just like practicing the guitar, in life, we need to take initiative. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you, actively seek them out. Proactively invest time in improving your skills, whether it's learning a new instrument or acquiring new knowledge. Embrace the challenges and uncertainties that come your way, for they are opportunities for growth. Habit number 2. Begin with the end in mind. We all make sensible decisions, but we eventually quit those decisions or habits. This is because we don't remember why we made this decision. We only think about the reasons to quit. But keeping it in mind, you can achieve your goals. This habit encourages you to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. In the case of playing the guitar, beginning with the end in mind is setting specific goals. Maybe you want to be able to play a particular song or perform in front of an audience, or you want to become a famous guitarist. By setting these goals, you give your practice sessions a sense of purpose and direction. Just as you have a goal of playing a specific song on the guitar, envision your life's desired outcomes. Define what success looks like for you in different areas: career, relationships, personal growth. By having a clear vision, you navigate through life's maze with a purposeful direction. Habit number 3. Put first things first. This habit is about prioritizing your tasks based on importance. When learning the guitar, putting first things first involves organizing your practice sessions. You allocate time to work on the most critical aspects, such as practicing scales, learning new chords, and mastering challenging sections of a song. This ensures that you focus on the essential elements that contribute to your improvement. Prioritize your tasks based on what truly matters. By focusing on the important, you transform mere moments into opportunities that propel you closer to your ambitions. In guitar practice, you prioritize scales and technique exercises to build a solid foundation. Similarly, prioritize your daily tasks, focusing on the most important ones that align with your goals. By doing so, you ensure that you're making steady progress towards what truly matters. Habit number 4. Think win-win. This habit emphasizes seeking mutually beneficial solutions. Applying this habit to guitar learning involves collaborating with others. Perhaps you join a music group or find a guitar buddy to practice with. By sharing knowledge, helping each other improve, and playing together, you create a win-win situation where both you and your practice partner benefit. In life, seek collaborations that benefit all parties. Through compromise and cooperation, you create an environment where everyone can thrive. When you work together, you create a symphony of success that resonates far beyond yourself. Your victories become harmonies that enrich not only your life but the lives of those around you. Habit number 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. This habit is about effective communication and empathy. In the context of playing the guitar, it means listening to different styles of music, studying the techniques of accomplished guitarists, and seeking to understand the nuances of playing. By understanding the instrument deeply, you can better express yourself through your music and connect with your audience. In guitar practice, you listen to different genres to understand their nuances. Apply this to life by actively listening to others before expressing your own opinions. This builds trust, deepens relationships, and fosters empathy. When you truly listen, you bridge gaps and build bridges. Your ability to understand others becomes a beacon of connection, paving the way for meaningful interactions. Habit number 6. Synergize. This habit encourages collaboration and leveraging the strengths of others. In the world of guitar learning, synergizing could involve jamming with other musicians or participating in a band. Each member brings their unique skills and style to create something greater than what any individual could achieve alone. This synergy results in a harmonious and dynamic musical experience. Just as musicians synergize their talents in a band, collaborate with diverse people in your life. By combining strengths, you create innovative solutions that far surpass individual efforts. Habit number 7. Sharpen the saw. This habit emphasizes self-renewal and continuous improvement. In the context of learning the guitar, sharpening the saw means taking care of yourself both physically and mentally. It's important to balance your practice sessions with relaxation, proper nutrition, and rest. Additionally, you continue to challenge yourself with new techniques and genres to keep your musical journey exciting and fulfilling. When you nurture your inner well-being, you cultivate resilience and sustain your journey. Like a well-tuned instrument, you create melodies of strength that resonate through every aspect of your life. In applying these habits to your guitar practice and beyond, you're crafting a life rich with purpose, growth, and harmony. Remember, each small effort you put in today resonates into a symphony of success tomorrow. Embrace these habits, and watch as your life transforms into a masterpiece of achievement and fulfillment. These behaviors are the keys that unlock doors to a more impactful lifestyle in the daily tempo of your life. Just like practicing guitar skills results in beautiful melodies, adopting these habits to your life allows you to construct a symphony of success. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel to get life-changing contents. Make sure you ring the notification bell to get instant updates. Share this video with your fellow mates, inviting them to embark on a journey of personal growth and success. Stay inspired and keep growing. See you on the next profitable page.